Hi, good morning. How are you? I am conflicted. I picked this up yesterday at the Goodwill. I saw it about 2 weeks ago. It was in there, and I looked at it, and I'm like, eh. I didn't buy it. And yesterday, I went into the Goodwill because I was passing by and had a couple of minutes, and it was still there. And I knew what it was. I'm like everybody else that works on electronics. I have a fascination for the older PCs, and I've got five or six fairly decent older PC chassis from the anywhere from the mid 90s to the mid 2000s or early 2000s. So I could actually put this into a PC. And I kind of looked at it. I checked it to make sure that all the parts were, but when I opened it, I realized that it had actually never been opened. Everything that's in this box is still in the original sealed bags. So that made it more interesting to me. Because this is from 2003 and it is now considered kind of a useless old technology because I don't think anybody's really out there fretting about watching TV on their giant old PC that they have set up. Um, it, One of the nice things, though, is that it is an ATI, which is a pretty well-known chip manufacturer. But I just thought it was cool. But my conflict is, should I leave it in the box sealed as an item of interest for somebody in the future, or should I take everything out of the bags, put it into the back plane of an older PC, get it set up, and see if it works? Here's the contents of the box. The original tuner board, seal package, never been opened or handled, so probably guaranteed to work. Sorry guys about the shaky camera stuff. It's got the original remote control, still sealed. It's even got the original batteries for the remote control in it. That looks like the power connector. This is like a universal remote control. Made in Canada and China, which is interesting since we're talking about putting tariffs on China or Canada and China. But I keep thinking, what have I ever bought recently that actually was made in Canada? And here we go, 2003. We have a analog video capture cable. You're supposed to be able to hook your VHS camera up, and using the supplied software, you can download your analog video to your computer using the supplied software. So that, I would actually use that because I have a bunch of VHS-C cameras, which I haven't really set anything up to do video capture off of them. This is kind of fun. They actually give you the input jack for audio. I guess back then that might have been a big deal because that was pretty early adoption of that technology. Visit your graphics card manufacturer. Now this is not a graphics card. This is just a tuner card. It also has the software sealed with the instruction book, printed in Canada, made in Canada, China, and the USA. So this is really cool. I mean, this has never been opened. It's never been used. what should I do with this? I don't know. I think I'll probably, much as I hate to, I'll probably get it set up into a PC chassis. If nothing else, to use for analog video download. Now, what I've read about this, the software was kind of flaky that they provided from ATI, but there are other software applications available on the internet that are free that work in conjunction with this type of unit that seem to work better. There was some comments from the early 2000s when this was new about people having some complaints about the software. The card itself, there was no complaints that I could read about it, other than some people wanted a higher resolution on the actual card, the tuner card, because if you see here, it says 720 by 480 MPEG 2. So I guess they made another card I think in like 2012, that was actually 1080p. You get stereo audio, which should be all right. Watch crystal clear TV on your PC. This is what I paid for it. And obviously nobody took the time to test it, because that would be a huge pain in the butt for somebody at Goodwill. I guess they wouldn't be able to do it. Watch TV in silence as you read the closed captioning. Watch TV on your PC monitor on a full screen or any window while you work in other applications. I wonder how that works. I bet that freezes a lot. Schedule and record TV programs. Connect your video camcorder to capture footage to your PC. Zoom in. You can do a still camera, capture snapshot. Email videos to your friends. Programmable keys on a remote control allow full control. Roam from room to room with complete control of the mouse features on your PC. That's interesting. No need to point the remote control at the receiver. So this is an infrared, apparently. Unless use a radio frequency. You get the TV Wonder card, multimedia software, radio frequency, there you go, so it is radio frequency, handheld remote control, unit, USB receiver, installation CD, other connector, and ATI input connector. 125 channel TV tuner, stereo audio, video capture, digital VCR, channel preview, closed captioning, real-time videos compression, wireless remote control, guide, schedule viewing, zoom in and out, and TV browser. So really what this is, it's just a TV tuner that you can use on your system, which actually I think it would be kind of cool. I've got a 24-inch monitor that I could hook up to that PC that I would put this in. It would be kind of fun to have a TV that you're running off an old computer. At least you'd find a usage for it. Anyway, I don't know. I haven't figured out whether I want to do that or not yet, because I like it because it's sealed from 2003. So that effectively makes it, what was it, 10, 15, makes it 22 years old. Okay. Well, it's pretty old. I mean, what's the chance of you finding this? I saw one of these listed on Amazon, but I don't think it was the same one. I think it was a more recent one. I think it was the 2012 version, but the 2003 is kind of cool. All right, and just to show you, it's asking for a Intel Pentium Celeron AMD K6 PCI slot, sound card, USB port for remote control receiver. Windows XP, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows 98. So I wonder if Windows 11 would do this. I don't know what's loaded on that PC I've got, that old PC I've got. It's probably, I'm sure it's older than Windows 7, so. Anyway, TV Wonders compatible, all graphics, subsystems, supporting Microsoft. And I do have graphics cards, so. Alright, I just wanted to show this to you. That's a point of interest. I buy crap like this. I don't just stick it somewhere, I actually try to use it, but I might keep this. If I do put it into a PC here in a little while, I will show you how that works out. Thanks for watching, and subscribe. Appreciate all of my viewers. I'm gonna just on a note, that last video I put up where I did the Saturday morning rant about YouTube and the AI. Well, the video that I uploaded about a week ago on the Pioneer cassette player sat there for a week with 50 views on it, and then for whatever reason last night YouTube decided to promote it, and it went from 53 views to 257, and I picked up two subscribers within like 5 hours. That's what I'm talking about. Why did it sit there for an entire week without any views, and then boom, all of a sudden overnight it tripled the amount of viewers and I'm getting subscribers? It's the AI. It decided to promote it for some reason. Maybe it figured out what I was talking about. Who knows? But I'm not going to go ahead and complain anymore. Just wanted to point that out because I did do a little bit of a rant about that. And what happened last night just proves my point. That's exactly what's going on. Anyway, I hope you all are doing well, and I'll get back to you shortly.